How to fix Roblox error code 524. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the error code 524 on Roblox. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your official Roblox website and make sure to log into your account. So as you can see, I am already logged in. Now on the top right corner, you'll see this wheel icon that indicates settings. So head over to the settings menu. Once you get here, you will have to be 13 or older in order to access the settings. So just make sure that you verify your age here. And now on the left side of your screen, you will see different tabs like security and privacy and content maturity. So you are just going to click on this. Now head over to communication, click on experience chat, and make sure that this is set to everyone. Once you do that, you do to Roblox chat and set this to friends as well. And from here on camera input, make sure to turn it on. And once you do that, go ahead and click on visibility and click on everyone here as well. On private server, you can choose everyone if you want, but you can leave it on friends. And finally, on trading and inventory, you can select everyone like this. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed automatically. Just give your account a restart and restart your Roblox once again, and your problem should be fixed. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.